as Christians, how do we respond? Pagka mayroong mga pangyayari na someone made a mistake, either ako yung nagkamali, o iba, how do we respond? First, kung halimbawa, alam natin na mayroong nagkamaling ibang tao, whether it be a Christian or not, ang response natin, first is, we give him affirmation. Siyempre, affirmation na truth naman. We give him affirmation about how he is doing his job, how he is in his career, and just be the source of blessing, of words of affirmation for him. Kasi nag-fail na nga siya and hindi na niya need na someone condemning him. As a Christian, you show that you deeply appreciate that person. If that person that you are talking to is a Christian, you say that he is already complete in Christ, na siya ay mahal ng Diyos, na siya ay accepted na niya, at siya ay significant na sa mata niya. And then we turn yung ating condemning attitude, we turn that to a desire to help that person. So sabihin ng nagkamali siya, and then kung tayo, we have knowledge on that aspect of the operation, possibly, or that schoolwork, or that handling of relationship, then we have that desire to help that person.